Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Training Grounds in Rainbow Six Siege. To get started, simply launch the game and head to the main menu. From there, you will select the play option, which opens up various game modes. Look for Training Grounds, often marked with a target symbol, and click on it. You can then choose to embark on this training journey alone or invite up to 4 friends to join you for cooperative practice. Within Training Grounds, you will find several distinct modes designed to hone your abilities. The most common is Elimination, where your objective is to neutralize all artificial intelligence opponents scattered across the map. For those looking to sharpen their precision, the headshot-only mode is invaluable. It requires you to land headshots for every takedown. There are also modes focused on bomb defusal, providing a more objective-based challenge. Each mode offers unique benefits for improving your gameplay. To maximize your practice, you can tailor each session to your needs. Head into the game's settings, then Matchmaking Preferences to select specific maps you wish to learn or practice on. You can also adjust the difficulty, from normal for consistent reps to realistic for a tougher challenge. Crucially, you can pick any operator and customize their weapon loadout, allowing you to master recoil patterns and gadget usage for your favorite characters. Don't forget to try different attachments to see how they affect your weapons. Playing Training Grounds regularly offers numerous benefits. It is an exceptional way to warm up your aim and develop consistent crosshair placement, ensuring your reticle is always at head height. You can also dedicate sessions to mastering the recoil of different weapons, making you more precise in live matches. Furthermore, it's perfect for learning map layouts, identifying common angles, and practicing vertical play. Utilize this mode to become proficient with new operators and their gadgets, giving you a significant edge in competitive play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.